Welcome to DIY Tech. NETGEAR Wi-Fi 6 AX5400 Dual Band Multi-Gig PoE Access Point Setup. Choose a location for the access point. The best location is in a central location and high up, such as on a ceiling or wall. Avoid placing the access point near metal objects or other devices that can interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. Connect the access point to a power source. You can use the included power adapter or connect the access point to a PoE switch or injector. Connect the access point to your network. You can use the included Ethernet cable to connect the access point to a router or switch. Configure the access point. You can use the NETGEAR Insight cloud-based management platform to configure the access point. Connect your devices to the Wi-Fi network. Once the access point is configured, you can connect your devices to the Wi-Fi network. Configure the access point using NETGEAR Insight. Create a NETGEAR Insight account or log into your existing account. Click the Add Device button and follow the on-screen instructions to add the access point to your account. Once the access point is added, you can configure it by clicking the Configure button. Configure the basic settings, such as the SSID and password, and then click the Save button. Once the access point is configured, you can connect your devices to the Wi-Fi network. To do this, select the SSID of the access point from the list of available Wi-Fi networks and enter the password. Thanks for watching.